Hello guys, it's Gabriel again, and today we have just received the flagship AM6 from Ugoos for our testing. This is the device. I should say that we have been following the development of this brand for some time, and it looks like these guys are definitely moving fast and confident to the leadership positions within the modern Android-based TV box market. As usual, first of all, let's go through the specs declared by the manufacturer. It's here, and I'm going to start right away with the natural diamond of this console. It is the newest top CPU from Amlogic called S922X. This is a significant leap in power over the previous Amlogic's S912 octa-core. The performance is much better thanks to the Cortex A73 cores. So, what opportunities do we get from this CPU? Of course, this is a robust support of 4K, 60 FPS with HDR resolution, 1 gigabit LAN connection, and 5th generation dual-band Wi-Fi. By the way, the manufacturer promises to upgrade it to up to Wi-Fi 6 in the near future, which is not too necessary, but it would be nice, surely. Fully featured Android 9 on board with all the deepest customization options. Unlike most Android TVs, trimmed firmware allows you, for example, to take an advantage of such useful look features as screen orientation, remote reboot, video screenshots, and etc. So this is great for the first look. Okay, now it's time to take a look at what's inside the box. Well friends, this is metal. At least I hold in my hands a very stylish metal device with well-designed cooling. Already before our review, we had information about the presence of a full-fledged large removable radiator on the main board, and this speaks first of all about the readiness to work consistently without overheating, which is most important to use in digital signage systems, especially if it's deployed to work 24/7. So what else is in the box? Let's see. We have two removable antennas to ensure Wi-Fi operation in 2 bands, HDMI cable, and instructions, and a fairly standard remote, which is, only needed for initial setup. Although with Android interface, I prefer to work by connecting a standard PC mouse, but that's just my preference. Let's connect and set it up first. I think the large amount is unnecessary for our pre-installed apps here. Most can be simply removed in order to have more storage space. For the content at least. So next we install the Look app player from the Play Store, launching it and adding a screen to the system. Repeat this procedure in each of our reviews, so we're not going to stop here. Certainly we'll use all the stress test scenarios that we have previously created, including the simultaneous playback of our full 4K videos. Note that in order to ensure the normal performance of the reboot feature, you need to enable root write on this device. Along with it, enable the determination of geolocation, and finally, change the internal orientation settings so that you can control the rotation of the screen directly from the Look CMS. And yes, this is the first third-party device within all our tests which finally fully supports screen rotation. Here we come with the result. Well, I don't see any problems with the playback of the same cases that we used with other consoles from this price range. And besides, I'm sure that this player still has a huge margin in performance, and which is important, full-fledged Android allows you to use all the functionality of the Look DS without any exceptions. So this device really seems to be suitable absolutely for any project in the digital signage sphere. And the only drawback is that the installation and the launch process is not so fast. So we have to make a lot of clicks and not forget anything, which might be quite time consuming and energy consuming, especially if there are a lot of screens planned within your network. It's up to you. But I think it's a great device after all. From our side, we see a huge potential for Ugoos hardware within the digital signage market in the future. Definitely, we're going to keep our hand in, and we get back to you with new product reviews and possible future collaborations. So for now, I think I'm saying goodbye to you, and I wish you a very good day, and see you in the next videos. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.